Transmission's back in. Andy actually came by yesterday and helped me get the transmission back into the car. We also fired it up. We had a small leak in the back, which we took care of. But I think we are ready to go testing. As you can see, I got the trailer. So yeah, that's the plan today. Let's go test this thing, make sure it's ready for 2K. How about that front suspension travel though? Check that out. So just running through the gears, making sure everything's working properly. It all seems to be there, so I guess it's time to load up. Super sunny out here, but yeah, we are here at our local 8-mile track, HMP, getting ready to dial it in. I turned the boost down a little bit just to get a clean pass all the way through, see what that nets us, make sure that the transmission's working properly, and from there, once Solomon gets here, we'll turn it up and go have some fun. Check out this race car Firebird front clip on that Firebird that we got over there. Bad ass. But we got our buddy Logan who's getting ready to go make a pass here pretty soon, and I'm gonna get suited up in just a minute. Alright, to try to get this So, quick prep. Pause for now. Well, totally caught me off guard, off my game, the whole 9 yards, and you guys missed every second of it. I can't believe it. I forgot that we're manually shifting. Completely forgot. Got in my zone. I got so dependent on the shifter shifting itself that I just completely forgot. It launched great. It felt good, and then I hit the rev limiter and I just completely forgot. By the time I remembered, I put it in second, stabbed it back, and it took off. But by that time I had already wasted pretty much the pass. But at least I know it's working. The 60 foot looks really good. So yeah, my fault. I gotta remember that we're manually shifting now. I gotta put my hand on the shifter and manually shift it. So gotta get better about doing that. 1, 2, 3, 60 foot, 3.8 in the 30. We're gonna have to judge our 30 to see how that pass was, but we went 5.9, 126. I didn't mile per hour for shit. Like I said, we hit the rev limiter pretty hard in first, forgot about it, and went to second. So, oh well. At least we got the 60 foot data and the 330 data. All right, I got my son.
Welcome back, guys.
My resident tuner with me today. So yeah, that was a wasted pass.
Tell them what you did, Hawk.
I don't want to say.
You're gonna have to say it. got the video from it, right?
Yeah, I
You have to tell him.
I already told them what happened. So yeah, that's my fault. I'm an idiot. But we're gonna ice it up. We're gonna try. I gotta remember to shift. That's the most important thing. Gotta remember that I'm freaking trying to shift this thing, not the air shifter. You become so dependent on that. Like I was just going for the ride. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah. I was just going for the ride and I totally forgot. God. By the way, we got a dyno night coming up.
Yes, we do.
At Horsepower Factory. If you guys haven't seen the flyer already, I'll post it right here in front of Solomon's face. But yes, dyno night this Thursday. If you want to watch the Bullet WS6 lay some numbers down on the dyno, Thursday is your day. For all you Texas 2K guys, this is where you want to be. Thursday night, Horsepower Factory. Let's make some power.
Oh yeah, that'd be a lot.
Round 3. We went to XRP. Everything good, went good. Just leave it right here. Everything went good. We hooked out a line every single pass, no problem there. The first pass here, when we got here, they had just finished prepping the track. Hooked, left, no problem. The second and third passes though, blew the tires off instantly out of the hole. I could feel it shuddering and just not working. So other people are telling me that the track is fine. I don't think it is, because the first pass was so solid, last weekend was so solid, and now all of a sudden, even turning down the launch timing, all of a sudden we can't seem to get a decent pass in. So I'm gonna call it for today. What we're gonna plan on doing is, after the dyno day, Friday night, we're gonna go to the track, get some testing in on a nice, fresh, sticky track, try that out, see what we can do, and go from there. But I think that's gonna solve our issue. I'm sure the track is probably okay, but for what we're trying to do, I don't think it's there for me. So we're gonna call it. Seems like the gears are there. It's hard to say because I haven't really had a good solid A to B pass today, but it feels a lot different and feels a lot better. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call it from there. and wait till Friday to make our test hits.
All right, guys, let's get back to work.
That's right.